In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up your AT&T Wi-Fi router step by step. If you've just received your new gateway and aren't sure where to begin, don't worry, this guide is made for complete beginners. Let's start with the physical setup. Take your gateway out of the box and plug in the green data cable to the correct port. In many fiber setups, this will be labeled phone line or something similar. Once that's connected, plug the power adapter into the gateway and turn it on. Now, be patient. The router needs time to fully boot up and connect to the network. You'll see indicator lights on the front. Wait until the broadband and service lights turn solid green. This can take several minutes. During this time, don't unplug anything. Once the lights are solid, it's time to activate and connect. The easiest way to do this is with the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Download it on your phone or open a browser and go to att.com/shm. Sign in with your AT&T user ID. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. The app will guide you through activating your service and confirming your connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Next, let's connect your devices to Wi-Fi. Flip your gateway around and look for a sticker on the side or back. You'll see your default Wi-Fi network name, also called the SSID, and the Wi-Fi password. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings, find that network name, and enter the password exactly as shown. Once connected, you're online. If you want to personalize your network, you can change the Wi-Fi name and password. Open a web browser and type 192.168.1.254 into the address bar. This opens your gateway settings page. When prompted, enter the access code printed on your gateway sticker. From there, you can update your Wi-Fi name, create a new password, or even set up a guest network. That's it. Connect the cables, wait for solid green lights, activate through the app, and connect your devices using the default network details. And that's how to set up an AT&T Wi-Fi router. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.